Hey guys, welcome to Creative Soft, and today I'm going to talk about iOS 14.4 stable update, whether you should install it on your iPhones or not. And let me just go in the settings and let me just show you whether we got the update for my iPhone 11 or not. As you all can see over here, I got the 14.4 update. And the best part about this update, guys, is you can install this over the air using a mobile data. So you don't need to connect it to a Wi-Fi hotspot or the actual Wi-Fi or not. So basically, what you can do is you can share a hotspot on your phone, and then you can definitely get this. So let me just show you, what are the free space around over here. I have around 17.9 GB, guys. So this is before the update, so I'm just running 14.3. So if you have installed it, the RC update, that is 14.4 RC update, the build number will be almost the same, guys. So let me just show you over here. So this is the model number, sorry, not the model number. Let me just show you the firmware over here, and let me just show you even the available space, which is it is 46.03. And let me just update these, guys, and just wanted to show you that this is possible to update without the Wi-Fi, guys. You can just share the hotspot of any network and you can get it. Let me just put my pin number. In the meantime, if you are new to this channel, guys, please consider subscribing. It helps my channel a lot. And let me just show you right now after I install it. It is going to take some time, guys, and then it is going to restart. And as you all can see over here, I'm just connected to the blue phone, guys. Won't tell you which blue phone. You all can check my other videos. So presently I'm sharing the hotspot from another phone, guys, and let me just show you all after I install it. So I have installed that particular version of update, guys, 14.4. And later on, once you see over here, the mobile hotspot thing is missing. And let me just show you the new updated version. It is 14.4, guys, and there is a lot of speed improvement and whatnot with this particular update, guys. So highly recommended. And later on, after installing it, it is 18.2. And as you all can see, like 300 to 400 MB is being utilized, guys. Now this will depend on the previous version which you all had been using it. And this is sort of a stable version, guys. So anyone running prior to the 14.4, it is highly recommended. I didn't face any other issues with it. I've been using it almost for a day. And now let me just show you what are the improvements. So as you all know, once you have changed the Apple's what you call this, the camera and all, guys, previously which had an issue, and now you all can see the camera issue is been fixed. So even if you're like sort of a change your camera module to something like a duplicate one, and then iPhone will definitely indicate you all that the camera module is being changed. So this update, with this particular update, nobody can fool you, guys. When you give your phone for repair and all, it is sort of a useful feature, just in case if you have broken your iPhone's camera. And let me show you another feature which is added. So if you all had gone to the switch, this thing, the headphones options, and there is this particular options, guys, called as for this thing, reduce loud sounds. So what it does is basically it on headphones and all, it doesn't allows you to set a particular limit for the types of headphones which you all are having for different kind of headphones, guys. This is included in the 14.4. And you all can even set it for the individual headphones or your particular Bluetooth devices, guys. Another option what I've noticed is if you are having any Apple CarPlay or any other Bluetooth media, guys, what you all can do is for you all can set this individually as a sort of a profile, guys. You all can set this as a car stereo, headphones, the hearing aid, speaker, and other kind of options, guys. So this is a nice cool touch feature which is available for 14.4. Another feature which I wanted to notify is you have this ECG function, guys. And if you have paired your Apple Watch, then it will just be showing you some different kind of things. If you have Apple 4, Apple Watch 4, 5 or 6, guys, so ECG feature, something new is come. And because I don't have a Apple Watch, so can't show you. Also, guys, with this particular new update, the QR code, okay, which you'll had, you'll be able to scan them. There used to be a tiny small QR code which was very difficult for your iPhone to scan. So with this particular update, you all can even scan those small tiny little QR codes which are available, guys. So it's a welcome feature which was there for other operating systems as well. So like this kind of QR codes which you'll be able to share. And with the new feature, another feature is I saw many times there was some lag, at least on my phone I didn't notice it, but many of my friend they told me now there is no sort of lag with it. And also, guys, once you press this emoji icon, okay, there used to be a different language settings. Now in this here I have like 2 or 3. For other phones there used to be coming unnecessary things like Arabic and other things, so that is also been fixed, guys. With let me just show you another feature of this 14.4 update. And once you scroll over to this particular section called as accessibility, and then once you go to this switch, there used to be the switch control. And here if you had turned this particular feature on, guys, there was some issue with the calls, etc., and that is also been fixed with the Apple update, the 14.4, guys. And yeah, that's it. And there are other cool things, guys. If you see uh, 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 even the performance have increased a lot, guys. Also, there was some seating issues with certain iPhone 11 and iPhone 10R, and also that is also been fixed, guys. So I improves I mean iPhone never hangs. And also, guys, if you are using something like iPhone 12, some people had noticed this green tint over here. I can't show you because this is not an iPhone 12, and that is not being fixed. And also, if you can see the performance, there is no lag, guys. I mean iPhone never hangs. Also, the camera is sort of improved, I feel, especially in low light, guys. And as you all can see, there is no lag, guys, whatsoever, because iPhones are meant for performance. And this is one of the most stable update. Definitely is recommended for all of those who are on previous version. So 14.4 is a very good update. So also let me know in the comments, guys, whether you all are updating to this particular version or not. And let me check out some other things. And thanks for watching, guys, and see you in my next video.